in Clayton, the heart of the business center here in St. Louis. We're doing a multi-story residential project. We've been using AquaBead for the last 4, maybe 5 years, ever since it pretty much entered the market here. What we like the most is the installation. Using the water applied method, it goes on quick and clean. Our guys have adapted to it and it's proved to be a moneymaker.
We use AquaBead pretty much on every project we have, whether it be hospitals, multi-residential places, retirement homes, or even single-family homes are used on. I like it a lot better than metal bead just because it takes a lot less mud. You don't have to mesh it, easily installed, spray water on it, sticks right on there. You don't have to buy spray glue, you don't have to buy nails, you don't have to buy a $150 nail gun to shoot the metal bead on. So you're looking at less labor too.
It's clean and faster. All you do is spray it with your water bottle, let it sit for about 20 to 30 seconds, and then just apply it right to the drywall. It doesn't pop, crack, it doesn't fall off the wall. I haven't had any callbacks using this product. If we run out, we just call our supplier and they have plenty in stock. It's never an issue, and if they are running low, they order it and it's within a couple days, it's at the supplier for us. I would definitely recommend CertainTeed products to other contractors just because of just pretty much all-around good products.
The reason TJ Wies uses CertainTeed AquaBead is because we found it's a moneymaker. After trying all their competitors, they won out. We're always looking for the best product out there. That's why we use it.